Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to share with you 5 secrets for wealth creation. Because a lot of people reach out to me and they ask me, Daniel, how do I make money? How do I get started? I want to do something different. Can you give me any suggestions? And today I want to share with you 5 secrets that can help you to create more wealth. So listen up. The first secret is to start online, because wealth is highly available on the internet. But you have to be able to search for it. You have to be able to find the right opportunities. You have to be able to market yourself effectively on the internet. Because the internet is a gold mine, and if you don't know how to mine that gold, then you won't have any part of it. You see, in this world, we have 2 kinds of people. We have consumers and we have producers. We have people that consume what the internet sells, and we have the people who produce what the internet sells. So you have to decide today, what is it that you are going to produce so that you will be able to attract the 99% of people who are willing to consume it. There are too many opportunities to talk about in this one video, but what I want you to do is to join the School of Wealth, because I'm going to share with you some money-making strategies that you will be able to gain within the next few years. So make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to learn how to create wealth online. The second secret to wealth creation is to gather your money. There's so many people that I talk to that don't know how much money they actually have. And what I'm telling you is to check your bank accounts, check your credit statements, check your retirement funds, check all the money that you have in every area of your life. If you know how much money you have, then you'll be able to take that money and multiply it to get to that next level. When I talk to a lot of people, I find out that they're wealthier than they think they are. They have some money saved up. They have some credit available. They have some collectibles that they can sell. They have a car that has value. They have a home that has equity. If you can be able to accumulate all the money that you have, then you should be able to take a portion of it to multiply your wealth. If you know your money, you can grow your money. And that is the second secret of wealth creation. The third secret to wealth creation is to expand your money. Look, you might have some money set aside that you need to absolutely use. Once you understand exactly how much money that actually is, you need to expand that wealth, because money hates to be bored. It hates to just sit there and collect dust. It wants to always be used by someone who cares for it, someone that will take responsibility for it, not someone that is afraid to use it. A lot of people come to me and they tell me, Daniel, I exhausted my emergency fund. And the reason why that happens is because they knew that they had an opportunity that they were supposed to pursue. They knew that they were supposed to use that money to give away to someone who really needed it. They knew that that money could have been used in another way. And so circumstances happen by divine nature that allows things to be shaken up. Sometimes it may not be as favorable as you want it to be, but you have to learn from that lesson and make sure that you're not scared to use the money that you have. Scared money will never multiply, but money that is beloved by a wonderful owner will definitely multiply in your favor. The fourth secret to wealth creation is to use the laws. Look, the government has set laws for you that you need to use. There's so many people that don't even know what these laws actually are. There's things that you can do with taxes that will help you to save a tremendous amount of money. There are certain things that you can do with your student loans that would help you out tremendously. For example, let's say you want to start a business, but you know that that money is being taken away from you every single month. You can put those loans on deferment or forbearance, and even though it will still collect interest, you will be able to save that money and reinvest it into your career or into your business. That is a tremendous step to take that will absolutely change your life. I see all these people in their 20s and their 30s and even their 40s who are stuck in their student loans, working odd jobs, struggling in order to pay their bills. Use that money to grow your wealth so that you can make a bigger income and easily pay those student loans. What about the people with credit card debts? There are so many people that call on me and they say, Daniel, I have $50,000, I have $500,000, I have $5 million in credit card debt. What should I do? Guys, you have to understand that there's a time that you have to use the system and it can benefit you. Sometimes that means that you might have to file for bankruptcy. You have to use those laws in your favor. And of course, I'm only talking about American government, but I'm telling you guys, there's always a way to deal with the money situation that you're facing right now. So stop despairing and start preparing. Start using the laws to your advantage so that you can be able to take your finances to the next level. The fifth secret for wealth creation is to start your own business. Look, there's no better time than now to start your own brand, to start your own business, to develop your own product, to bring it out to the market. There are so many people that need what you have, and you have those skills. You have the potential to deliver those skills to the people that need it the most. But why are you withholding your product? Why are you withholding your service? Why are you taking the risk that you know you need to take to get to the next level? Stop being scared and start being prepared. Start doing something for your future and say, you know what? I can replace my income if I really work hard at it. I can make this happen, even though I might have some naysayers in my life. I can do what I know is right if I continue to work harder on myself than I do on everything else. Starting your business will allow you to live your financial dreams and allow you to become as happy as you know you were called to be. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I just shared with you 5 secrets of wealth creation. If you like this video, please comment in the section below and share it with someone who really needs it. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button because I want to keep on sending you more videos that will help change your life. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and join my School of Wealth mentorship program, which is always in the link in the description below. I'll see you guys on the next video.